Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to Khan STBB Academy. Today we are going to learn English Class 1 Unit 1.1 Introduction and Unit 1.2 Grading. Dear students, in this lesson we learn how to can tell them our name and who we are. For example, Assalamu alaikum. The other person can reply Walaikum Assalam. Then we can introduce ourselves by saying, My name is Imran. मेरा नाम इमरान है. I am your teacher. मैं आपका उस्ताद हूँ. Students can introduce himself or herself by saying, My name is Bachal. मेरा नाम बच्चल है. I am your student. मैं आपका शागिर्द हूँ. And other students can say, My name is Sirat. मेरा नाम सीरत है. I am your students. मैं आपकी शागिर्द हूँ. So remember students, my name is I am a teacher. I am a student. Now let's practice together. Teacher, what is your name? Students, my name is Ali. Very good. Now you can introduce yourself to your teacher and classmates. Now let's move to Unit 1.2 Greeting. In this lesson, we learn different greetings that we use at different times of the day. In the morning, we say Good morning, Subah ka salam. In the afternoon, we say Good afternoon, Dopahr ka salam. In the evening, we say Good evening, Sham ka salam. At night, we say Good night, Raat ka salam. And we leave someone, we can say goodbye. जब कोई जाता है हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Goodbye. Let's practice one more time. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Goodbye. Excellent students. So dear students, today we learned how to introduce ourselves and different greetings. Keep practicing their sentence at home and try to use them with your family, teacher and classmate. If you found this lesson helpful, like the video, subscribe to Khan STBB Academy and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.